Let's get your Xumo box connected. First, grab the HDMI cable included in the box. Plug one end into the HDMI output on the Xumo box and the other into an available HDMI input on your TV. Make note of which HDMI input you use, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. You'll need that later. Next, connect the power adapter to the Xumo box using the USB-C cable. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. The Xumo box uses about 10 watts, so it's pretty energy efficient. Make sure the power outlet is working, and you're ready for the next step. Now, power on your TV and select the HDMI input you connected the Xumo box to. The box will take a minute or two to boot up. You'll see an activation code displayed on the screen. Using a computer or mobile device, go to spectrum.net/activate. Enter the activation code and log in with your Spectrum account. The setup wizard will guide you through setting preferences like parental controls and channel lineup. The first-time setup, including software updates, will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Be patient and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. A stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits is recommended for smooth streaming. If you experience issues, ensure your TV firmware is up to date.